Stop.
The civil authorities have issued the required weekly test. Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota,
That's
all of
Dave.
Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EAS open cap EAS feed configuration test message.
The hell message. The hell done it. The fuck you done it. I call it.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This has been a test of the emergency alert system, and there's been an actual emergency of written messages were for the alert tones. Cannot be picking up no way chances, there's no way to get all to fault. Well, it's been disscheduled.
Now the clock is ticking. But don't let a tow truck driver decide your future by handing you a random lawyer referral. You need to call the ramp. Call 713-ALL-8.
Hi, this is Matt from Senna House Buyers, where we promise to make you a fair, honest...
Wait, on WT.
Aha, there we go. Caught it.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. Travel
your office. No, here's...
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This is only a test.
Alright, next channel.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This is only a test.
Okay, next one. Let's see here. Go to this one. Here's that one. Here's that one.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This is only a test.
Oh no, we haven't kicked on your 3-5. Hold up. This is coming too low. 2 minutes. Oh, fuck.
I make you feel now, ready.
The National Weather Service Office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station code 35 from New York City. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances,
transmitter can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast New York: Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. In northern and central New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut: Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test.
Oh, do you see?
Dude, you have a Thanksgiving start tomorrow. How make you feel that once? How make you feel that once? There's no longer to be a freaking alone. Damn it. Why is the freaking no time?
The signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat or existence of weather in the postponed will be postponed available reception of this broadcast. Quality receiver and Harris. Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. Small craft.
It's not completely.